Ready to upgrade your ride? Our all-wheel drive 2024 Nissan Rogue SV is perfectly designed for New Brunswick adventures. Brought to you by Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's Huggable car dealer. Ideal for city drives in Fredericton, long weekends at Grand Lake, or tackling snow-covered mornings on the Ring Road. This SUV checks all the boxes for comfort, style, and practicality. Picture this: a sleek white exterior paired with a cozy black interior, a factory-installed moonroof for scenic drives, and heated front seats, plus a heated steering wheel to keep you warm on the chilliest maritime days. With all-wheel drive capability, a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, and a remote start, you'll confidently cruise summer roads and winter slush alike. Cozy, capable, and adventure-ready, our Rogue also comes loaded with intelligent tech like blind spot indicators, a rear camera with park assist, and keyless push-button start. Why stop there? With every purchase, you'll enjoy the Hug pillars, including a full tank of gas, a 12-month Huggable guarantee, Carfax, and more. Drive it for less than $135 per week, all in. Call 506-459-6832 today to book your test drive and feel the Huggable difference.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug